A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this afternoon, let us talk about important matters. First Lady Amai Oxley Mnangagwa has ordered that 9 ladies were arrested be released after the charges against them were dropped. So this is the story. 9 villagers who business center in Mutare district, Manicaland province, have had their charges withdrawn. The incident occurred last Wednesday when the villagers reportedly failed to access FREES, which Mnangagwa was doling out as part of their charitable work, triggering a wave of jeers from the 9 women. Nesta Chatuana 41, Panashe Mucheka Zondo, Winnet Sitole, Maria Choto, Esnat Choto, Enel Rujua, Faith Chidakwa, Patience Mtasha, Joyce Mashingaidza were arrested during the melee. They were being represented by Zimbabwe lawyers for human rights, lawyers Tatenda Skauke and David Tandiri, and were released last Friday on free bail by Mutare magistrate Priska Manibi. They were expected to return to court on 30 April facing charges of disorderly conduct in a public place as defined in Section 41B of Criminal Law Codification and Reform Act. However, presidential spokesperson George Charamba, posting on his ex handle, Donzamsoro, said the charges were withdrawn on Sunday. Both the First Lady and Police Commissioner agreed the officers on the ground overreacted. On the instructions of the First Lady, all charges were withdrawn yesterday, he said. In a statement, Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights had revealed that the prosecutors argued that the 9 women had acted unlawful and abusively to Mnangagwa. So this is a new development. This is what happened. The charges were withdrawn at the instigation of the First Lady, and that is what has been reported so far. So we talked about this issue yesterday, and in our own findings, we had not found any fault because these ladies were giving a different account. So we need to take a look on what Donzamsoro actually said regarding this matter. Is this presidential spokesperson and always speak on behalf of the first family. So I cannot find that report from Donzamsoro right here on his account or on his handle. Let me try to go straight to his account so that you can get to understand kuti zvinhu zvacho zviri kumbofamba sei. So ndo zviripo ana ezimbabwe vakadzi vaya varegedzwa, and we are happy that finally they've been set free. And panoitika zvinhu zvakadaro izvozvozvo, a lot of people nevasina mhaka, they are included and involved. So others are saying this is a political move, zviri kuda kuedza sekuti vanzi aiwa handamai vanonzwisa, but others are saying papasina mhosva. Inini personally, I believe kuti this is the good move, because there was no need for these women to actually suffer for nothing. So I applaud this decision, and this is something else. So I can't find the report from Donzamsoro. He posts a lot of things per X and or per K, but that is the situation. That is what the report says. Naomi, thank you very much for the contribution. Thank you very much for the comment. Okay. So it's difficult. It's said kuti vanhu vane nzara, and we continue to see vanhu vane nzara vachiharaswa. Right now you have to know kuti ZANU-PF promised kuti ndo ichange ichipa chikafu chese. So pachauya chikafu ichi, guys, the major question is, are we all going to benefit, especially vamwe tisingade kuita zvezano? Are we going to benefit or zvinongonzi zvioneserei ikokoko? So personally, I don't have a problem, but you see kuti mune vanhu mune muchishanda navo, you are in the villages, mune vanhu vari kuopposition vari mukushanda navo, and that affects how the opposition performs as well. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. This is the update which we have for you. Mnangagwa, yes, has instructed the prosecution to drop charges against 9 women who were arrested in Watsomba for jeering her. So this is the latest development, and we'll continue to watch and see what is happening.